Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, a lot on the calendar this month. I just started counting. We have 12 events in December. It's like the 12 days of Christmas all over again. Here we go. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'll go through most of them. This weekend, exciting weekend, we have the HSR race out at Sebring. I think we got 53, 55 folks going out, about 33, 34 cars going out to see Blast. We'll have pictures for you next week. And Saturday morning we have Cars and Coffee at the BMW of Sarasota. For those folks that are not going out, still hang out there at the Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. On Sunday we have the breakfast in Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte area. That's going to be Irwin, and that's also going to be John putting that together, so always a great thing. Next Tuesday, the 5th, is St. Pete Clearwater, and Jeff and the whole crowd up there getting together again. So come on out and see us, check us out on the web. I'm going to jump down to next weekend, the 9th. We have a ton of things going on next week. 3 events on Saturday the 9th. Cars and Coffee in Jacksonville, Cars and Coffee in Lakeland, and we also have the joint drive to Corky Bells. That's going to be Jacksonville-Ocala and Gainesville group getting together, driving to Corky Bells. So a ton of things going on Saturday the 9th. On the 10th, we have 2 events going on there. The Naples Carson Coffee down in Naples, and then we also have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee. That's Meribeth's group up in the Gainesville area. So a lot going on. That's halfway through the month, and that's just 2 weekends. So just jam-packed full of cool things. A lot of things happening. Hey, check out all the other things that are down below that Carol's loaded on. There's a special announcement for nominations. I'm going to have a quick video for that, just that follows this. Click on down, check that out, and we'll see you soon. Until then, happy motoring, y'all.